So we had it at wide open throttle last weekend, and this head cover has a leak in it right by the bottom of the spark plugs. So that's a new development. We got a package from our favorite people, Yamaha, and hopefully it has everything we need. So we had changed this gasket a few months ago. You can see right there, you might be able to see that gunk there. That's actually a gasket sealer that we temporarily put in because it was leaking so bad. So now we have
okay. So you think this will fix the leak?
oh yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
This is a brand spanking new Yamaha
Okay, wait, we gotta look at the difference.
head cover.
We gotta look at the difference.
Yeah.
Put this down here. So this is the difference from, how old is this?
It's a 1991 that's been cleaned.
1991, 2024, 2025. It's crazy.
And of course, new gasket.
New gasket.
And 2 bolts just in case. But they don't look like they're the right size.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I ordered the wrong one. These are for the actual head cover. This is more of a water jacket cover.
Okay.
So we'll use those later on.
Alright.
Alright, let's put it back together.
Cool.
Okay, so we had the leak we were working on earlier is taken care of with the new cover. We do have a small leak out of the thermostat cover. We did not order a brand new gasket for that, so we've cleaned up what we have, and if it continues to leak, we'll obviously order a new gasket. Otherwise, everything's running good, and the original leak and hole is taken care of. Okay, so we took off the thermostat cover, kind of cleaned off the Alright, so we took off the thermostat cover, kind of cleaned off the gasket, refit it, put a tiny bit of the right stuff, gasket maker, as there was an obvious area where it was getting some water through, and that has taken care of the issue of the leak on this head of the engine.